Russian President Vladimir Putin has claimed launch of the most awaited vaccine. Putin added the vaccine has been registered for novel coronavirus pandemic and is safe as well as effective for administration. Putin has also announced that his own daughter has been inoculated and is doing perfectly fine. The vaccine has received approval from Russian Health Minister. It was developed by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute that received approval after less than 2 months of human testing. The clinical trial for the vaccine began on June 18th and included 38 volunteers, where the first group was discharged on July 15th and the second group on July 28th. Vaccine is based on adenovirus-based viral vector combined with spike protein of SARS coronavirus to induce immune response in the body. About safety and efficacy, the director said the coronavirus particle cannot harm humans as they cannot multiply. The particle and the object that can reproduce their own kind are the ones that are considered alive. The particle in question cannot multiply. As per WHO, 100 possible vaccines are developed around the world and 4 are in final phase 3 human trials. Companies like AstraZeneca and Moderna are in final stage and are expected to soon yield results. The vaccine developed by Russia is a 2-stage injection that helps forming lasting immunity. The experience with vector vaccine and 2-stage scheme show that immunity lasts for up to 2 years. The mass vaccination could begin by October and the vaccination may be offered to risk groups such as medical workers, physicians, although large group trial will still be continued. But the question arises, has the world wait ended for novel coronavirus vaccine? Is it really safe and effective? The global race for vaccine from US to India to Russia and Australia is ended. There is no detailed information on the same yet. We will keep you updated for the novel coronavirus vaccine. Stay tuned on Lifeology India.